Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through turning off some iPhone system services which can help enhance your privacy, save battery life, and reduce data uses. So firstly, open the settings app on your mobile device. And now inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the privacy and security. Then tap on the location option available on the top. After you tap on the location services, inside location services, scroll down till the bottom and there you will get to see system services option available there. Tap on it. Now let's begin from the beginning. The first one is alert and shortcut automations. You need to toggle this off. Alerts are notification or messages that pop up on your iPhone. You'll have to toggle off because it controls which apps can send notification and how they appear. It can use a lot of your data and battery, so simply toggle it off. Now the other one is Apple Pay and merchant identification. Then simply toggle it off. By toggling it off, you can reduce the amount of data shared and the level of tracking or background activities on your device. On third, we have Cell Network Search. Cell Network Search tracks cell tower uses and sends data to Apple. You can turn it off to limit apps and services from using the cellular network to connect to the internet. Now the other one is Compass Calibration. If you don't use the Compass app or navigation services that rely on it, you can turn this off to save the battery. Simply toggle it off. Now the other one is Device Management. It allows a company or other organization to control the settings, content, and security on those devices. If you are not using a device in a business environment as a part of the MDM feature, you can safely turn it off. Now on 6, we have emergency calls and SOS. This service shares your location when you make an emergency call, which is useful but can be turned off if you prefer not to use it. Now the other one is HomeKit. HomeKit provides a home automation infrastructure that uses iCloud and devices security feature to protect and sync private data without exposing it to the Apple. So you can simply toggle it off if you don't use HomeKit or Apple Pay. Now the other one is motion calibration and distance. Now what it does is it tracks activity accurately. It is used by fitness or activity apps. You can simply toggle it off if you are not into fitness or track your activity because it drains your battery sooner. Now the other one is networking and wireless. It tracks Wi-Fi uses and sends data to Apple. You can simply turn it off because turning off can limit how your iPhone uses data from nearby Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection for network-related tasks. Now the other one is setting time zone. In setting time zone, iPhone gets the correct time over the network and updates it for the time zone you are in. If you are not traveling, then you can simply toggle it off. Now the other one is share my location. Share my location is to share your location with friends, family members, and other trusted contacts and find my messages and maps. If you are not sharing any location, then you can simply toggle it off to save your battery. Now the other one is suggestions and search. You can simply toggle it off. Disabling these services will limit the personalized suggestion and search results on your iPhone provide based on your locations, recent searches, and other factors. This can enhance your privacy by limiting the data your iPhone uses to personalized recommendation and search results. Now, last one is system customization. You can simply toggle it off to enhance your privacy. Disabling certain services can enhance your privacy by limiting location tracking and data sharing. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.